Wix Studio versus Webflow versus Framer versus WordPress versus Figma. Best site builder? In this video, I'll compare Wix Studio, Webflow, Framer, WordPress, and Figma to help you find the best site builder. So to get started, Wix Studio is great for beginners who want drag and drop building with powerful new tools for pros. Webflow is more advanced, perfect for web designers who want pixel perfect control without code. Framer is modern, built for visual designers who want to turn prototypes into real websites fast. It's smooth and intuitive but limited in third party plugins. WordPress is the most versatile and customizable, with endless plugins and themes, but it can be overwhelming for non tech users. Figma isn't a builder, but it's essential for designing your site before development. You can prototype, collaborate, and hand off to a dev or expert with tools like Framer. If you want visual design power, go with Framer. For pro sites, Webflow wins. If you want simplicity, Wix is great. For full control, WordPress is still king. And that is my comparison of Wix Studio, Webflow, Framer, WordPress, and Figma.